Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. Now I've got a new funnel that you can rebrand here, and the unique thing about this particular funnel is that this funnel will actually work for absolutely any business imaginable. So let's say, for example, the scenario is you've joined a brand new income opportunity. You know, you've got multiple streams of income, um, and all of a sudden you've got no way of kind of promoting it because for example, the company that you're promoting doesn't actually have an easy to use affiliate link. It's just got a registration link. It doesn't, if you share that out, there's no there's no explanation or details or anything like that. So this page can be completely rebranded in the matter of minutes. It's using the brand new version of the Leads Leap sharecode system that asks you 5 simple questions: the company name, the video ID for the YouTube video. It asks a question. It asks a simple question: what company you're promoting, the link URL, and Leads Leap URL, and also a way to contact the person. So 5 simple questions. Fill in the blank, and instantly it brands to you. You don't even have to edit the page. And I purposely done it like this simply because I know a lot of people, they're joining businesses. They're adding income streams, and they might have a video that was created by their upline or sponsor or someone in the upline or corporate created a video, and you just want to stick that on a page, and then with your link underneath it, and then people can join after they watch the presentation. That's basically the simple scenario of this page, and you can do it, and you can set it up like literally within 2 or 3 minutes by filling in 5 simple blanks. Click save, and the page is imported into your Leads Leap account, and it'll work with any company imaginable. So let me just quickly show you how you're going to be able to set up this page. And I purposely done it so that there isn't a lead capture page. There's no email follow-up series, because think about it, guys. You probably already have something like that you can tweak anyway. And the thing with Leads Leap is you've already got done for you templates to use for lead capture pages, and 99.9% of the time lead capture pages are generic anyway. That's the whole purpose of them. You can easily stick in a lead capture page in front of this page if you want to. But the scenario is that people will come. You're talking to people all the time, and if you're just talking to someone in privately in your inbox, and they need some quick information, you can just send them directly to a page like this that has a video presentation of the company you're promoting, and then a quick link that they can join, so that they got all the information, and then they've even got the instructions on how to set this funnel up as well. So not only are you getting people on your team within the new business, but they can even add in this this page, so that your team can sort of grow virally, and a simple way that they could contact you. So let me just show you how you're going to be able to set this up. It's, the share code's on this page, and I'm going to put the link. I'm going to put the link to this page below in this underneath this video. But so basically how it works is I'm going to open up obviously you would join Leads Leap under your sponsor from this page. And then this is a test account, a Leads Leap test account. I'm going to show you how it works. So obviously after you join and register for free with Leads Leap, I recommend upgrading to Pro member, obviously, but that's up to you. You can still import this page and use it even as a free member. So go to the page manager in your back office of Leads Leap, add a new campaign, call it my business or whatever you're promoting, just for your purpose. And then you can add a new page in there, and then you just need the share code, which is down here. This is the share code. Okay, copy that down to clipboard, paste it in the box there, import, and it'll immediately ask you 5 simple questions. Enter the name of the company you're promoting. So let's say, for example, I'm going to put Ultron. Oh no, actually I'm going to put I don't know. I'm going to put Seek. Okay, it's a company I'm just looking at it right now, and then it asks for a video. Okay, enter the video ID. It's got to be an ID. Okay, not the full URL. Okay, it's got to be a video ID. So here I am I've got a video here that right at the end of the after the equal sign, we got the video ID right at the end there. Where are we? Okay, there. And then you put the video ID right there, and then it asks you for the full URL of the company you are promoting. So I'm just going to log into my back office. You could be doing this for any business, any company, okay? And I've just got started with this business. Haven't even started promoting it yet. Just copy. You know, this is just a typical example of what you're going to find when you join a business, okay, and you haven't got any way of promoting it, because the promotion link that they use is just a registration page. But you know, if you just share that out, it's not gonna teach the new user anything about the business. So that's why, you know, why this is a good thing to do. Enter your full Leads full affiliate URL, because you want to, you know, you're gonna be promoting your Leads Leap account as well. So you go to the back office of Leads Leap, go down to affiliate links and tools right at the bottom here, copy the full URL, okay, and paste that into there, and then enter your Telegram full Telegram user ID. Full Telegram user URL. It's got to be the full URL. Okay, so go to Telegram, go to the settings, edit there, and then you'll see right at the bottom here, you'll see your link to promote. Your link to your profile, your Telegram profile. Why have I chosen Telegram? Well, you know, at the end of the day, it's up to you. But you know, a lot of people are using Telegram now, and it's an easy way for people to get in touch with you, send you a chat message. I find that, you know, if you put your Facebook profile and people send you a message, you're probably going to miss it, because I get people sending me messages who have never connected with me, and the messages are hidden. You don't, unless you're checking regularly the hidden messages, you know, you're going to miss, you know, messages coming in from people. So I find that Telegram is good. You can install Telegram for free. Most people have it nowadays. However, you can change the way people contact you by using the built-in drag and drop editor. So then just click replace, and then, you know, basically you're done. You know, and you can re-import the share code as many times as you like, as and when you join new businesses. Okay, and then when you launch it, you know, I'm going to launch it in the editor for now, but as you can see, the new video is there. I put the business name here, and the business name automatically gets populated throughout the page, and even on the button and here. Your link gets added there, and your Telegram information. Now, if you wanted to put something else in there, like connect with me on email, you could just click your mouse over there, just click on it, and then you can change, for example, email or Facebook, or you could put, for example, Skype or whatever. It's up to you. And then, of course, you know, you can change it there as well, whatever, and then change it there. But, you know, by default, I've put in Telegram, because a lot of people use Telegram. And then obviously don't forget to put your URL to share with people on how to connect with you. But obviously Skype doesn't have a URL, I don't think. No, you know, you could put in Facebook, for example. So, you know, you can change the labeling just so it reads correctly, and the people have, you know, good instructions. And then you can put in, I can't remember what is it, facebook.com/edkeyte, for example, and then just save it there. Okay, now obviously this page doesn't need to have an email follow-up series, because it's just a landing page. It's just a static page. It doesn't require any dynamic sort of. It's not part of a funnel or anything like that. So it's just easy to set up, because, you know, nowadays, I mean, I think a lot of people, although, you know, collecting leads is important, but if you're communicating with people on Messenger and you've already had a chat with them, and they're already they're already kind of, in a sense, you're, following. You're already having a communication with them. That's really the point. So you can send them direct link to a page like this, and as you saw, I was able to, create a page in a matter of no time, add in a video, change the business name, put my link in there, change my link for the leads leap, and add a way for them to contact me. Simple as that. Done. And then if you join another business down the road, you can just do it all over again, add a new campaign, grab the share code, and you can have as many of these imported as you like. You can duplicate them for each business that you're promoting. And when somebody says, can I have more information about that particular business, then you can just send them the URL, okay, that you see here. And that's just a simple way to get people to connect with you. So you can import a share code like this even if you're on a free account of Leads Leap. So join under me on the link below for Leads Leap, and use this share code. The link to this page is right here, and this video will guide you every step of the way on how to completely set up. But I've already shown it to you in this particular video, so you know how to do that. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope this page was useful. Cheers, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.